It was good, my beautiful people. It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you? What's goody? What's good, guys? Thank God it's Thursday. We all woke up. If you're watching this video, shout out to you, and shout out to everybody that's going to be receiving a check. They're going to be updated today in the back office of my econ. So salute to everybody that's getting paid. Also salute to everybody that's getting paid with the Conversion Pros, which is my #1 marketing system that I utilize to promote multiple programs. I use it to purchase leads. I also use it as something for my people to copy. So when they join me, it's pretty much the same exact funnels they can use, the same exact business system model that they can use. The owner of the system does trainings in the Facebook group, thousands upon thousands of trainings in the back office itself. So guys, we take care of people in that business as well. But I wanted to talk about the Funnel X ROI system that I'm using. Now, this system has multiple income streams inside of it. And one of the reasons that I did decide to just like go over, really promote this is because a lot of the income streams I was already involved in, and it's just a system that makes sense. With the front end income stream, you're able to earn instant commissions, and you're able to earn up to $2,000 with that. Just off of all those income streams that they have. The back end, it's going to be your autoresponder. As far as following up with your leads, your broadcast messages, things like that. That's also input in the system. As far as, being able to understand where your clicks are coming from, that's in the system. The lead, the CPA is like a CPA side of it as well. Your Funnel X Advanced, that's an income stream. And then you have the advertising boost inside of it, which is also an income stream. So you have all these income streams inside of one link. So why wouldn't it was only right for me to say, all right, let me jump in this and let me go ahead and do my thing. But the thing is that, guys, it's taking my business to a whole nother level now. I'm constantly getting that phone call from the front end stream, income stream about, I got a new sign up. And that's why I'm sharing this information, because I want to help others. It's not about you joining me and stuff like that. A lot of times it's just about helping others, man. You get a kick out of seeing other people being able to do things for their family, or hear the stories of what people are able to do. Eventually you got to say, I'm tired, man. I'm tired of getting overworked. I'm tired of being told when I can go to lunch. 30 minutes, a 30-minute lunch, that's a ripoff, man. For real, 30 minutes, it take you 10 minutes to probably get out your building. And then once you get to the place, it could be 10, 20 minutes just for them even taking your order and you getting your food. And God knows how long it's going to be for you to get back to work. And now they want to try to talk about your late to lunch, or they want to try to write you up. It's like a never-ending story, man, with these 9-to-5s, man. So when will you understand that there's things that you can do? I've seen people that, that love their job. But then, as soon as they get those $1,000 days, $2,000 days, they start saying, I'm going to take off today. I want to enjoy my day. That's what it becomes after. That's what it becomes in. They're not so stressed out. Oh, you know what? You want to do that to me? You want to let me go? That's fine. I'm already making $5-6 grand a week outside of here. Then you can walk around with your chest out, and because you got a skill that they can't take from you. So if they decide, hey, it is what it is, you already got that skill. You just tap on in and do what you got to do. It is what it is, man. I'm just telling you guys something, that when you jump in the online space, you're learning a skill. That's why I say it's more than making money. It's learning a skill as far as how to generate income, how to turn your smartphone into an ATM. That's what it's about. Most people want to sit and just play online. We get money online. I wouldn't even be on social media. If it wasn't for music and this, I wouldn't be on social media. The only difference is that I decided to jump into this business because I like helping people. The music was cool, getting a lot of people liking your music and stuff like that, going and doing shows. That's a love, and you got to have a love for that. I have a love for that. So it's going to always be in me. But also I have a love for this. And I never knew I had a love for this until someone, introduced me to the business. And once I got in it and started doing my thing, that's when it took off for me. So, guys, I'm gonna leave a link for the Funnel X for Funnel X ROI at the bottom. I definitely encourage you to check it out, man. This program, the marketing system is definitely out of this world. And also, guys, it's free to use. Okay, the marketing system is free to use. The funnel is free to use. The only thing that you need to do is plug in those income streams so you can get paid. All right. So I'm gonna wrap this video on up, guys. It's your boy Jay. Have a beautiful and blessed day. I gotta call my daughter's doctors, so we can set her appointments up. Peace.